In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set featured products in WooCommerce. Featured products are a fantastic way to highlight key items in your store, whether they're your best sellers, new arrivals, or items you want to promote for a seasonal sale. By making them stand out, you can draw your customers' attention and guide them toward products you want to showcase. Whether you're setting one product as featured or several at once, I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step. Let's get started. First, head over to the admin dashboard of your WordPress site. This is your main control panel for managing your online store. Once you're there, look at the left-hand menu and hover over the Products tab. A drop-down will appear, click on All Products. This will take you to a list of all the products in your WooCommerce store. Now, locate the product you'd like to set as a featured product. Once you've found it, you'll see an edit link right under the product name. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the Product Edit page where you can manage all the details for this specific product. On the Product Edit page, look over to the right-hand side of your screen for a section labeled Catalog Visibility. You might need to scroll down just a bit to find it. Once you see it, click the Edit link in this section. A few options will appear. Check the box labeled Featured Product. After that, click OK to confirm your selection, and then click the Update button near the top of the page to save your changes. To make sure everything worked, return to the All Products page and reload it. Look for a star icon next to the product you just edited. If the star has turned darker, congratulations, you've successfully set that product as a featured product. If you want to set multiple products as featured at the same time, the process is just as straightforward. Start by checking the boxes next to the products you want to feature. Then at the top of the list, look for the Bulk Actions drop-down menu. Select Edit from that menu and click Apply. This will open up a bulk edit panel. In this panel, locate the Featured section and select Yes. Once you've done that, click the Update button to apply your changes to all selected products. Now, there's an even quicker way to set a product as featured. If you don't want to go into the Edit page, simply find the product on the All Products page and look for the star icon next to its name. If the star is empty, click it, and it will instantly mark the product as featured. If you can't see the star icon, don't worry. It's an easy fix. Look at the top right-hand corner of the page for the Screen Options tab, click on it, and a drop-down will appear. Make sure the checkbox for featured is selected. Once you do that, the star icons should appear. Finally, let's talk about displaying your featured products on your home page. To do this, open the page editor for your home page, whether you're using Elementor or another page builder. Scroll to the section where you want to showcase your featured products. If you don't have a section yet, you can add a new one or duplicate an existing section. Edit the title of this section to say something like Featured Products or whatever fits your store's branding. Next, add a shortcode widget to the section. In the shortcode field, type this: products limit equals 6 columns equals 3 visibility featured. This will display up to 6 featured products in 3 columns. If you want to show more or fewer products, simply adjust the limit value. Likewise, you can change the number of columns by editing the column's value. Once you're happy with how it looks, save and update the page. Now your featured products will be displayed on your homepage, ready to grab your customers' attention. And there you have it. You now know how to set featured products in WooCommerce, whether it's one product, multiple products, or showcasing them on your homepage. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.